10 years may have passed, but for Ramya's family, the memories remain as vivid as ever. Every photograph of the 9-year-old is a reminder of a life cut short in a tragic drunken driving crash that changed 4 families forever. Ramya, her grandfather and uncle were killed in a crash in Hyderabad's Banjara Hills on July 1, 2016, when a car allegedly driven by a drunk driver crashed into their vehicle. Now, as the long-pending case finally enters trial before the 7th Additional Metropolitan Sessions Court, Ramya's parents say the decade-long wait has been marked by grief and an enduring hope for justice.
It's very hard to digest the things because accident occurred in the July 1st, 2016. From then 10 years means it's a long time, long period, and we faced hardship. We could not come out of that trauma at all because 4 families have affected because of that, and we have lost 3 members and 2 were severely injured. And my younger daughter, she missed a nice mentor. I missed my princess, loving princess, and we miss her a lot. We miss my daughter a lot.
రమ్య ఇన్సిడెంట్ జరిగి 10 సంవత్సరాలు అయింది. అయినా ఇప్పటికీ న్యాయం జరగలేదు అని చెప్పడానికి చాలా విచారంగా ఉంది. ఎందుకంటే మన న్యాయ వ్యవస్థ పనితీరు అంత శ్రద్ధగా లేదు. బంజారాహిల్స్ పోలీస్ స్టేషన్ కేసు తీసుకుంది. అప్పటి నుంచి 5 సీఏలు మారారు. కానీ ఇప్పటివరకు ఒక్క అక్యూజర్ కూడా శిక్ష పడలేదు. అంటే 10 సంవత్సరాలు అధికారులు మారుతున్నారు, అయినా శిక్షలు పడట్లేదు. మరి ఎన్ని రోజులు వేచి చూడాలి రమ్య యాక్సిడెంట్ కేసులో శిక్ష పడుతుందనేది.
Beyond the courtroom, the family has campaigned for the proposed Ramya Act, calling for stricter drunken driving laws and greater accountability for establishments serving alcohol to underage customers. With the trial now moving forward, the family hopes justice will finally be served and send a strong message against drunken driving.